In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Dragon Copilot versus ChatGPT in 2020s. What's better? By the end, you'll know exactly where each assistant shines, how they fit into real workflows, and which one makes the most sense for your needs. Let's start with the big picture. Both tools are AIs. AI assistants, but they're built for different purposes. Microsoft Dragon Copilot is laser-focused on healthcare documentation, voice-driven workflows, and clinical environments. It's tailored for medical professionals who need accurate, structured notes tied to patient care. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is a general-purpose assistant designed for productivity, writing, research, coding, and business tasks. It targets a wide audience across industries and adapts to many different kinds of work. Now, if you're in healthcare, Dragon Copilot is developed specifically for you. It uses AI-powered medical dictation and documentation geared toward doctors, nurses, and healthcare staff. Its strength is accuracy with medical terminology, which is critical for clinical notes, orders, and care plans. Another key advantage is integration. It connects with hospital systems and patient records, helping streamline documentation right where care happens. In short, Dragon Copilot is best when your primary workflow is clinical, and you need reliable, compliant notes captured quickly. To get the most out of it, make sure your organization supports the integrations you plan to use, and that your mic setup and environment are optimized for voice clarity. On the other hand, ChatGPT is a flexible, generalist assistant. It supports writing, research, coding, brainstorming, and a broad range of business tasks. It's used across education, marketing, programming, and content creation, and it offers strong conversational abilities that help you iterate ideas fast. It can analyze files you provide, summarize information, and automate workflows, making it a powerful hub for day-to-day productivity. If your work shifts between documents, spreadsheets, code, and strategy, ChatGPT adapts easily. Here's the side-by-side in plain terms. Main purpose: Dragon Copilot is a healthcare AI, while ChatGPT is a general AI assistant. Industry focus: Dragon is medical. ChatGPT spans multiple industries. Voice dictation: Dragon is strong and tuned for clinical language. ChatGPT is moderate. Writing assistance: Dragon centers on medical notes. ChatGPT covers broad writing needs. Coding support: Dragon is limited. ChatGPT is strong. Business use: Dragon fits healthcare environments. ChatGPT offers high flexibility. Integration: Dragon plugs into hospital systems. ChatGPT connects to apps, APIs, and custom workflows. So, which is better in 2026? Choose Dragon Copilot if you work in healthcare and need medical documentation automation. Choose ChatGPT if you want a versatile assistant for business, learning, content, or coding. The better option truly depends on your industry, your workflow, and the problems you need to solve.